Let's find out what surprises lie within my first Archer and Olive mystery box. Hey y'all, welcome to Dots and Beyond. If you are new here, my name is Beth, and this week we are looking at a mystery box order that I received from Archer and Olive. This is my very first mystery box that I have ordered from them, so I was excited to see what I found inside. Archer and Olive is not new to me. I do currently use an Archer and Olive journal for both my work and my personal journals, but I was excited to see what I could get in this mystery box. And obviously this is not sponsored by Archer and Olive in any way. I have gone ahead and removed the plastic from the boxes, but I have not opened the boxes themselves, so let's go ahead and see what I got. And of course, the very first thing that I'm going to show you is not much of a surprise simply because of the shape of the box. And that is the receival of a set of Archer and Olive Acrylograph paint markers, and I have wanted to order a set of these. I had not yet done so for myself and sort of hoped that I would receive one in the mystery box so that I could try these out. These are the 3mm tip warm fall collection markers. There are so many reviews and how-tos on these acrylograph pens. I will go ahead and link some directly on the Archer and Olive YouTube page below for you to review. I'm not going to go into depth too terribly much on these, but again, they are the warm fall colors. On the left is the blending palette, on the right are the instructions on how to use it, and then here are the actual acrylograph pens themselves. And if you're not familiar with how the Archer and Olive mystery box works, they do put this up on their website from time to time. You pay a flat rate, and then you don't know what you're going to get in the box. So for this particular month it was a $60 rate, and then they do promise that you'll receive at least $90 worth of merchandise in that box. Based on other reviews, the acrylograph pens are very, very high quality, and that does justify the price point a bit. They are in the $35 range per set, which is a little high for me, which is why I chose to go the mystery box route and see what else I could get in a lower priced order with more merchandise. And then of course in that box I also received obviously 2 journals, so we are going to open up the first one and find out what it is. And this first one looks like it is the Undated Planner. And I have heard about the Undated Planners. I haven't really looked at them that much. One of the reasons I do bullet journal is because I do love the customization of making my own journal. This Undated Planner does come with 176 pages. The paper is still just as bright white as the regular journals, and I actually do like this cover. It's not normally the color palette that I would go for, but I do like the pops of blue and deep purple that are in this cover just to give it a little bit more interest. We're going to open it up and look at the inside, and here on the inside it is exactly as it is advertised. It is an undated planner, so at the beginning of the journal here you jump right into a month page. Following this monthly calendar for planning, there are weekly pages going back enough to get you through whatever month you start on, and I guess that's the beauty of an undated planner, is you can start whenever you are in the year. And at the end of the weekly pages there is a single dot spread so that you can do additional customizations, add in some trackers if you want to do that, and then jump right back into another month. And it looks like it does do this all the way through the journal with a few additional dot grid pages at the back for any maybe annual trackers you want to add in, any additional content you might want to put into the journal. Not sure if I'll use this. I will probably see if this is something that would work great for my mom. I think she would appreciate this. But I don't know, I'm going to hang on to it. I'm thinking about possibly making it very specific to my content calendar for social media and planning that way, and possibly taking that out of my personal journal. Not quite sure yet. I do have a video coming up on both my personal and my work journal, and the trials, tribulations, what's working, what's not working, in keeping 2 separate journals. And then here we are unboxing this second journal, and it is this absolutely stunning deep purple dot grid journal with this silver moth embossed on the front. This is one of the smaller page of the dotted journals, the 160 count instead of the 192. But this color and this moth are just extraordinary. I don't know if I would have ordered this off the website, but seeing it in person, it is just stunning. Even though I use 2 Archer & Olive journals, we are going to go ahead and pop this open and take a peek on the inside. As you can tell from the edges, the pages are just a bright, bright white, and that is one of the reasons I keep coming back to Archer & Olive and why they tend to be my go-to journal company at this point in time. Here on the inside, of course, is the 5mm dot grid spacing nameplate at the front. Customary 2 bookmarks that Archer & Olive always has, one of them with their logo charm on the bottom, and a pocket in the back of the journal. As much as I love this journal, I know my son is going to love it as well. I did a custom journal for him for 2021. I will link that video up in the cards for you if you want to see that, but we are considering what to do for his 2022 journal, which obviously would not be a surprise like the previous one was for his Christmas present. But I think this is a journal that he would just absolutely fall in love with. Along with a small sticker sheet titled Pink Bits, which I did not get on camera. These are the items that I did receive in my Archer & Olive mystery box order, my first mystery box order from Archer & Olive. Thank you so much for coming along with this quick unboxing video. Remember, wherever and whenever you are, you too are fierce. Bye-bye. And here are a couple more video selections that you might enjoy.